I'm sharing my mom's recipe of Aloo Potoler Dalna. It turns out delicious. Let's make this together. Set a pan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of normal cooking oil and 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. To this we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. I added about half a teaspoon of salt. Alternatively, you could coat the potol and aloo with salt and turmeric powder and add that to the oil instead. Cut off the ends of the potol, peel them in alternate stripes and cut them in half like that. And these are about 20 small-sized potols. Make sure you dab the potols dry before adding it to the oil to prevent the oil from splattering. One secret to get this curry to taste really good is to fry the potol until they turn nice and golden brown. If not, the curry kind of tastes diluted. It should take about 8 to 10 minutes and fry until the potols look like this. Now they're ready to be taken out and we are going to fry our potatoes next. I'm adding the potatoes into the same oil and we are also going to make sure that the potatoes are fried until they are golden brown, but we also want to make sure that the potatoes are almost cooked through. For this, I'm splashing a little bit of water and covering the potatoes till they are cooked through at least 80 to 90%. My potatoes are rock hard, so I'm going to repeat the process another time, but if your potatoes are really soft, they're going to cook much faster. And now, as you can see, the potatoes have a nice golden brown color and we are ready to take them out as well. We will set the temperature of the pan to low now and we are going to add a half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and we are also going to add 2 bay leaves. You can add some more mustard oil to the pan if needed. Next, we are going to add a 1-inch piece of ginger that I have crushed. Next, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of normal red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red chili powder. We will make sure that we are cooking on low heat so that the masalas don't burn. Let's give that a quick stir and we're going to add in our fried aloo and potol. The second important step is to coat the aloo and the potol with all the spices and stir fry for at least 5 minutes. Make sure that the heat is on low, but if you still think that the masalas could burn, you could always splash a little bit water and continue to stir. You can do that once or twice and stir that for at least 5 to 7 minutes because that's how the taste is going to turn out so great. Next, we are going to add 1 cup of water, just enough water to cover the potol and the aloo pieces. We are going to add salt to taste and we are also going to add half a teaspoon of sugar. Place the lid on and let the gravy simmer for at least 5 minutes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for exciting recipes every week. Guys, my kitchen is starting to smell so good and this aroma makes me so nostalgic. Let's give this a taste and add salt or sugar as needed. And we're going to finish by adding half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Try to use fresh garam masala powder, guys. It's going to make your curry taste so much better. That's it. Your Potoler Dalna is ready.